Hello and welcome back to our latest video. Now the first fault here was they forgot to signal right. That was it. Everything else was fine. They managed to get in and out of the junction, no problem. Just a minor fault, missing a signal, no one else was affected there. Right, we're coming up to the roundabout. The instructions to go ahead, take the second exit. Now the speed that the car went round this roundabout at was too high. You might see it here speeding up. A little bit of a loss of control there. Not a serious fault because they did manage to fix it, but in terms of passenger comfort, slower and more control would have been better. The instruction here is to take the second exit going onto the slip road to join the A92. Now they're on the left lane here, which is fine, they start to build the speed. However, they move over into this right hand lane. Now, I wouldn't advise this, I would say stay on the left lane all the way down, use all the distance that the slip road has, and then when it's time to do your mirrors and signal and then merge onto the road, you're doing that from the left lane. I wouldn't do it from the right hand lane unless you were deliberately trying to overtake someone, which I wouldn't advise anyway on a slip road. So given this one is a little bit of a minor fault, although it's more of an advisory, don't do it. Now we're turning right here at the mini roundabout. The fault was not making a move when they could have went. You can see the rear view camera at the top that I've just brought in there, so you can see what's happening behind us. There's a car waiting. Now, once the silver car passes now, there's no problem that if we can make a move now, we could still be going, we could still be going, we could still be going. There's a car up here on the right, so we give way to them. Now they're past, we could be going, we could be going, we could be going, we could be going, and eventually I had to say to the learner, we need to get a move on here, there's somebody waiting at the back. So serious fault there for hesitancy. Now we're entering the car park on the right, and the intention was to do a bay park. There wasn't enough spaces to choose from, so I made the decision to just carry on and make your way out of the car park, and we would choose another place to do the manoeuvre. Now, it all goes a little bit Pete Tong here. Leaving the car park, turning left, there's a blue car coming from the right that the learner pulls out in front of. Here's the view from the back camera. There it is. Should really have waited on them. Same thing happens here at the mini roundabout, turning right. There's a car coming from the right, a black car that you won't really see from the front footage. The learner pulls out, switch to the back camera, you'll see the black car there. Again, another scenario where there wasn't enough time to go. So two instances in a row where it would have been best to wait on the cars that were coming, resulting in serious faults for making the wrong decisions to go. Now we've got quite a bit of driving here without any faults at all, so I've just sped it up a little bit more. Country roads back towards Dunfemline, all done very well. Now, we've got a speed issue here. The time of day is lunchtime, and you can see the 20 miles an hour sign is active. And if you look down, you'll see the speed of the car at 25 miles an hour there. You've got to get that speed down before you come to the reduced speed sign. And then when you're building your speed up, make sure you pass the speed sign before you then check your mirrors and increase the speed.